Welcome back, everyone. Today is day 15 on this capacity building training for 1,000 Nigerian Civil Servants on ICT, which is organized by Hammad Technologies and Consultancy Limited. As always, we'll start by showing our outlines, and our outlines for today's we have a recap on the 13. We have text customization using shortcut keys Control A to Control M. Then we have question and answer. Then we have conclusion. Then we call it a day. So recap on the 12. We discover on the 12 control shortcut keys from Control A to Control Z. You know what Control A, V, C, and the rest are. And then we'll start with customizing text using those shortcut keys that we learned in our previous class. So shortcut keys, we are going to use Control A to Control M to customize our text in our today's class. So this is just a random document that I've created, which we are going to use for customization using our shortcut keys. So we'll start with Control A. So as we know, Control A is used to highlight all the document. When you press on your keyboard, you press on Control, then you click on A, it is going to highlight all your document like this. As you see, if you click on Control and then navigate A key, it is going to highlight all your document like this, as you can see. Then we have Control B. Control B is used to make the selected text bold. Maybe you want to make your text bold, so you're going to highlight it, then click on Control B, then it will highlight all the selected text for you. Like this, let's say you highlight this text like this, you want it bold, then you will just click on Control B and it will be bold like this. Then we have Control C. Control C is used to copy the selected content. Like this, if you want to, let's say, copy this text, maybe let's say you want to copy all of the document, you're just going to press on Control A, you highlight it all, then you press on Control C. That means you copy your document all. Then we have Control D, which is font style. We use Control D to open the dialog box or font style. That's where you can change your font size, font style. You can bold the text, italic, make it underlined, and so on. All you need to do is press on Control, then select, then click on D. It will open the dialog box of font style for you like this. Like this, you see, this is your font style, so you can make the changes you want for your document. This is what Control D do. Then we have Control E. Control E is used to center the selected text for you, or is used to center the text for you. Let's say you have like this video is your header. Let's just break this. This video is your header and you want to make it center of your document. You just highlight it and then click on Control E. Then it will move to center of your document. So this is what Control E does in MS Word. Then we have Control F, which is find. If you want to find something in your document, you just click on Control F like this. Click on Control F, and you see it will give you a small box like this. So you can enter the word you want to search in your document. Let's say we want to find video like this. You see, it gave us, you see here, it says we have full result of video in our whole document. So you see it highlighted where the word is located here and here, here and here. If you also check our document, it is at the top of our document like this. So this is what Control F does in your document. Then we have Control G, which is go to. Maybe you want to jump to a specific page or section in your document. You just click on Control G like this, and it will open a dialog box for you. It will ask you, you want to enter the page number you want to go to if you have multiple pages, or is it a section, or is it a line. Let's say we want to move to line 4 like this, and that we say go to, and you see it will take us to line 4 in our document. Let's say we want to go to, let's say, page 2 in our document. Let's see, go to, it will move us to page 2 directly, but in our document we only have page 1, so that's why it didn't take us to that specific page. So this is what Control G does in MS Word. Then we have Control H. Control H is used to replace something in your document in MS Word. If you want to, let's say, replace some word with some word, you will just click on Control H, then it will open a dialog box for you like this. Let's say it will ask you find the word you want to replace, and then replace it with the new word. Find the old word, replace it with new word. Let's say we want to find video and we want to replace it with audio. So here on your replace, you have options. Either you want to replace one by one, or you want to replace it all. So we'll say, let's say find next, let's say replace, it will replace it one by one, or you can replace it all like this. And you see it says here, all done, we made 3 replacements. That means we have 3 word that is named video in our document. You see, click on OK, then you can uh, cancel the dialog box. So you see, wherever we have video, it replace it automatically to audio. You can replace it automatic using Control H. Then we have Control I, which is italic. We use Control I to italic selected text in our document. Let's say you want to make this word italic, you just have to highlight it like this, then click on Control I, Control plus I, then it will italic the word for you. Then we have Control T. Let's say we have, then next we have Control J, which is justify. Control J is used to align text evenly on both sides of on both sides of the margin of your document. Like this, as you can see, this line is not it's not aligned with this, it's not margin with this line, this line. So if you want to make it, excuse me, I don't know what's wrong. Then you just like this, highlight your document, and then click on Control plus G, and it will justify your text. You see now it is aligned very well with your margin. So this is what Control G does to you in MS Word. Then we have Control key. Control key is used to insert hyperlink on your document. In your keyboard while using MS Word, it opens a dialog box that allows you to create a hyperlink in your document, which is a clickable that if you click it, it will take you to somewhere, maybe web page or maybe existing file in your document, or you can link it to email, so on. So if you want to create that hyperlink in your document, you just click on Control plus K, then it will open a dialog box for you in your document. So as you can see, it gives you options here. You have existing file or web page, you have place in this document, create a new document, or an email address. So we'll start with existing file or web page. So what are you looking in? The folder you want your existing file is in. Let's say we have it in desktop, so it will display all the desktop folders for you here. So you can select the folder you want to link to. Let's say we click on this Excel file. So what's the name of the link? What's the name you want the link to come with? Text to display. Let's say we make it as learn more. So if you click on OK, you'll see the link here in your document like this. But one thing, you cannot click it normally like this. It won't allow it. So if you want to click on the link, you just press on Control and then click on the link, and it will take you directly. It will show you this. Microsoft has identified a potential security concern. Hyperlink can be harmful to your computer and data. To protect your computer, click only those hyperlink from the processor. So if you trust the source, you want to continue, you say yes like this, and it will open the selected folder for you. As you can see, here is our Excel file which we linked with our document like this. So you just do what you want to do, or you can close it like this. Then we have and Control key again. Click on Control key again. We have place in this document. Let's say you have multiple pages on your document. You want to insert a link that will take you, maybe let's say top of your document, or heading or bookmark on your document. So let's say, for example, we are on the bottom of our document. So we want to insert a link that will take us automatically at the top of our document. So we click on this and we say place on this document. Let's say top of the document, and then we click on this OK. So you see a link appear like this as top of the document. If you press on Control and click on the link, let me just break it. I don't know, like this. Let's press on Control and then click on the, I don't know why it's like, click on Control and then click on the document. You see it will take you automatic at the top of your document like this. So then we have, let's say, create new document. Maybe you're given an assignment and you want the participant to insert something in your document as new file. You can create it here. You can see name of new document. You can when to edit. You can select it. You can change and tell the target frame and so others. Or maybe you want to link an email address in your, maybe you want to insert a reference or something, so it comes with an email address. So here you can just insert the name of the address and you can apply subject here, and then you click on OK. Let's say we have mail to, let's say, so that is an Umar like this. Then you create a subject here. Then you click on OK. So you see this email link appear here. So if you can click on control and click on this, it will take you directly to email, so you can create your mail and send it there. So this is what control K does to you in MS Word. Then we have control L, which is left align, which is left align. Control L is used to align text to the left, which is by default our text is already on left align. So let's say let's highlight it and move it to right alignment like this. Your text is on right alignment. You want to move it on the left alignment, so you just highlight the text like this and then click on Control L, and you see your text move to left align. Then we have last but not least Control M, which is increase indent. Is used to move the paragraph right. So let's say this paragraph you want to move it to you want to move this paragraph to right. So it's maybe, let's say, you can, it's not just the same thing as tab, but they work all the same. You'll just come here and click on Control M. You see it add multiple space. It add multiple space on your paragraph at the left side. So if you come here this paragraph again and click on Control M, it will move the text. You see like this, it will add more space before your text. So I think this is where we'll stop for today on this customization using shortcut keys from Control A to M. So this is where we're going to stop for today. So far we have learned shortcut keys from Control A to Control M, and we know what they are used for customization in MS Word. So we're going to move to next thing on our outlines, which are question and answers. So as always, I'll say if you have any question, drop it in chat and I'll respond to it later. And I'll respond to it right now. So if anyone has any question, please drop it in chat. Then we have thank you for listening. I will meet again tomorrow, inshallah.